Hi guys, good evening. So, hi Balaji, hi bro, hi Keshav, hi Ravinder, hi Ratnakumar, hi Balaji, missed yesterday's session. That's okay, Balaji. Yeah. Okay, Jai Sudha, good evening. Good evening, Yashwin. Hi Vinyas. So, we'll just wait for a few minutes and we'll start with the analysis. Uh, Hi Mohsin. Good evening, Manikandan. Hi, good evening, Jital. So yeah, guys, just comment in the hi Rishi, comment in the chat box on which pair shall I analyze first. So first I'll be looking into Forex Factory. Good evening, good evening. Hi Nilesh. Yashwin is asking for BTC. Euro HD. So others, hi Dattatray. Good evening. Gold. Okay, like first we'll look into Forex Factory for the news, guys. Then we'll be analyzing the market. So yeah, I'll look into Forex Factory. So at 6 p.m. we had USD news employment. We had employment news, unemployment news at 6 p.m. So now right now it's 7:09. So we can directly look into the chart. First I'll be analyzing for gold. As many of you guys want me to analyze gold. Okay. First I'll be looking into gold chart. So in weekly time frame we already know it's a lot of consolidation. In daily time frame also it's a lot of consolidation. So we'll just try to scalp if we get any opportunity from 4 hour or 1 hour time frame FEGs. So in 4 hour time frame market has mitigated our 4-hour FEG. So we can also observe one thing, it's in a proper downtrend. We can see higher high, higher lows over here. And there is high chances of market to move in the low direction itself. And this is also our 1 hour fair value gap. So we'll plan to go short on USD like if you find any proper setup. Hi Rajesh. Good evening. Please check US oil. Okay Rajesh, I'll also be looking at US chat as well. US oil chat as well. Good evening Rahul. So from here I'll be shifting into 15 minutes time frame. So in 15 minutes time frame we have got a kind of CASD, but guys, one thing you have to remember, like once you are looking for CASD, like I'll just explain what CASD is. Like it is a structural shift, a shift in the trend. Like this is our lower low, so we have to mark the candle, the body, low of the body, and we have to look for a candle to close. I mean the body have to close below the lower body of the higher low, sorry, like this is the higher low, so this is the bottom part, that is the low part of the body you shouldn't consider wick, you have to just consider the body. So this is the body closure and we need one candle to close below that body level. not below the wick. That is CHD. But this is not a proper CHD because there is also one criteria. Before CHD, we need to get a IFEG. Like what is IFEG? Like let it be. Let us consider this candle. I mean this portion. We'll just consider this portion. Yeah. So we'll just consider this portion. This is our FEG. This is our FEG. And if the opposite side candles are breaking this FEG, and if you are getting a body closure above this FEG, I mean this, then we'll consider this as a IFEG. So this is the FEG, and we need the opposite side momentum candle to close above the FEG. So this will be the IFEG. So this can also act as the support. Once market enters this level, it might act as a support. See, we can see a retracement at this level, and we also need proper like direction, proper key levels in the higher time frame, but this act as a support. So right now the same way we had to get one IFEG over here. Like we need to have one FEG, so that FEG should have broken here, and this whole thing we could have considered as IFEG. Inverse fair value gap, the opposite of fair value gap. If any other candle breaking the fair value gap, that portion will consider it as IFEG. So here we have not got any IFEG. So like if we get any IFEGs from this level, we can plan for a trade. So here we didn't get any IFEG, so I'll be shifting into 5 minutes as well. So guys, this is what I was looking for. We got a good example. Over here. I'll be explaining what the IFEG is. Okay, I'll delete this. So this was our 1 hour time frame. Okay, this was our 1 hour time frame FEG. So once market mitigated this 4 hour time frame, I mean 1 hour time frame FEG, this is the first mitigation. After the mitigation, we need a structural shift. So this was our IFEG. See, this is the FEG. If this portion is broken by any candles, then the entire thing will consider as IFEG. And you can see over here, market mitigated this IFEG and we got a sharp fall. See, from this level, and it has all easily it has given 1:2, and this is the CISD. This is the CISD of once we got CISD. This was the last bearish candle before we got IFEG. So this thing we can consider as change in state of delivery. CISD is change in state of delivery. And you can look for many YouTube videos. You will easily get to know what CISD is. Like right now I am not able to explain what the exact meaning of CISD, but it is change in the state of delivery, the market structure shift. So once we get CISD over in the 5 minutes time frame, we could have planned for a trade here just to scalp, because in higher time frame market has mitigated our 1 hour FEG. So here could have been our pending order at CISD level. Stop loss at the high. 1:2 done. So IFEG stands for inverse fair value gap. This is one more setup guys which I'll be always looking for. So in 15 minutes we don't have any we don't have any proper setup, so I'll be just deleting all the drawings because it might confuse you guys. So yeah, this is our 1 hour fair value gap. But the thing is market has mitigated this fair value gap. Sorry guys, we'll just follow our old setups itself. This is our fair value gap, 1 hour fair value gap. After the fair value gap we'll use GAN box. We'll use GAN box. This was the bearish candle, first bearish candle which we got. Mark the level. I'll just use GAN box to mark the level. Stop loss. One is to two now. See guys, easily we targeted 1:2 from these levels. This is the setup which I've already taught you guys. So in 1 hour we got a bearish candle after the mitigation of FEG, 0.25 level, stop loss, 1:2 target. Done. Mohsin, yeah, like as you are telling, both sides we have wicks, but just compare the wick size. I always compare the wick size. So I told it shouldn't be similar, like same size, but see the difference. Like here we are having huge wick, but this is comparatively a smaller wick, where it is suggesting us that we have strong sellers at these levels. Like if market had, like if I had got, just a second, if market had closed somewhere here, then the size would have been similar, then I would have neglected it. But here we have like a visible difference with the size of the wick. Here the size of the wick is little bigger than the size of the lower wick, so we can consider that there are a lot of sellers at that level. So Mohsin, you got it right what I said? Guys, you can just ask me questions if you are having any confusion on it, like with the wick size or with the candle, anything, you can just question me and I'll be answering it. So, like I didn't get your name, PS149. Can you please mention your name? Guys, doesn't this strategy feel simple and easier to trade with? So Tariq Ahmad is asking buy XNES से withdrawal कैसे लेते हो? So I won't be trading in XNES Tawkir. So like I'll only be using LiveX Capital to trade, and yeah, I also suggest you guys to trade only with prop accounts rather than broker accounts. So hi Priyanka. So every time when I'll be taking trades, I'll be mentioning my strategies as well. Because you're new to my live trading sessions, I'll also be explaining what it is, my strategy, my setup, everything. So as of now, like I'll be looking into weekly time frame. So Priyanka, you will also get my recordings, my old video recordings. Today is like this is July month, right? So I have explained my entire setup on July 11th. You can just watch my recording on July 11th. You'll understand what it is. So once you watch that recording, and from then onwards you can start attending my sessions, so that you'll be having a clear picture on it. It's on 11th July, Priyanka. So entertainment, is there any offer today like yesterday? So no, today we don't have any BOG offer, but yesterday there was till 11 p.m. But right now you will also be getting 15% discount if you use my coupon code PASS15, and it's also displayed on the screen. So if you use the coupon code PASS15, you will be getting 15% discount on all the challenges. Let it be from 5k to 50k and with all the phase. So Tariq Ahmed is asking, so if I transferred my payouts through crypto, then what will be the process from beginning to bank account, and please explain. Okay, Tariq, it might take some time to explain about it. Like right now we have, like, people are here to attend the live session on the market analysis. So tomorrow we'll be having a special class, like at the same timings I'll be explaining the entire process on the withdrawal thing. Okay Tariq, tomorrow at sharp 6:30 I'll be explaining how to withdraw and how to convert your crypto into Indian rupees, sharp at 7 p.m. Tomorrow we'll be having a special session on it. So Pavitra, is there any video that explain phases and challenges? Okay, tomorrow the entire session will be on LiveX Capital, how to use LiveX Capital, and what are all the withdrawal process. These are the things I'll be explaining for tomorrow. The entire session, let us keep it for LiveX Capital and the withdrawal thing. So Balaji is asking for EURUSD. So as of now, we didn't find any setup on gold, so I'll be shifting into other pairs. As Balaji is asking for EURUSD, I'll be considering it, and I'll be taking trades on EURUSD itself. So guys, you understand this, right? Like market, we didn't have any proper key levels in weekly and daily time frame with gold. So we just marked the FVG, like we just took a chance over here. We marked the FVG. We looked for a bearish candle. We got a bearish candle. 0.25 level mitigated. 1:2 done. This is what I would have done if I was watching the market. But still, I didn't find, like, I was not free at this time to take the trade. But it's okay. Like if you people can approach the same way if you find this kind of setup in the future. Okay, Manikantan is so excited today. He's telling awesome. Nice to see this kind of excitement, guys. So I'll be looking into EURUSD. So our first approach is, so Priyanka, you can just watch over it. I remember you had just texted me regarding the LiveX Capital account. I still remember you. Okay, like you can just watch the approach of mine, like how I'll be approaching the market and what is my exact setup is. So Priyanka and others as well. So first I'll be looking into weekly time frame. So we know here that we have a strong fall in the weekly time frame candle. So we can blindly believe that weekly time frame bias is bearish because of only one candle, that is this Marubozu candle. We have got a good Marubozu candle in weekly time frame of EURUSD. So from here I'll be shifting into daily time frame. from as we are getting a bearish Marubozu candle in weekly time frame, the daily time frame bias has to be bearish. So we have also got a CISD over here. This is CISD, guys. This is the swing low. This is the swing high. A candle broke the swing low, and we have also got IFVG. This was the FVG. If this FVG is broken by the opposite side candles, then this we can consider as IFVG. We have got IFVG, we have got a CISD. So bias is completely bearish with Euro USD. So from here we might not get any entries in 4 hour and 1 hour time frame, because we need consolidations also in between. We can't just blindly take trades in the falling market. We need a consolidations in weekly time 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. But okay, this was our guys. From here, if you are planning for any trades on Euro USD, just plan to go bearish, not bullish trades. Just wait for bearish opportunities. So here we would have had an opportunity, but still we have missed the trade, because this was our 0.25 level. Mitigation done. And guys, one more thing, as soon as we are getting 1:1, we are moving our stop loss to break even. And the reason behind this is like we will be we'll be saving our capital. That is will be our first major priority. So I'll be going short from this level. I would have gone short from this level. So market has already given us 1:1. So at this point of time, my stop loss would have been at break even with little profits, and I would have targeted 1:2. Guys, how many of you are following the same setup which I have thought? Can you guys please mention it in the chat box? So entertainment is like in LiveX Capital, 4 hour candle is different from trading view. So I didn't get your name, man, actually. So like in trading view, you'll be having different platform, like you'll be having different providers. Like you'll be getting Onda, like I usually use Onda, but I don't have clear. Wait, just a second. Yeah, you'll be getting capital.com, Onda, or etc. Like Coinbase. So different charts gives you different levels actually. If you look into 4 hour time frame in gold, okay, just a second. If you look into gold and 4 hour time frame, this is showing like 2 over 59 minutes in Onda. But the same thing gold XAU USD. The same thing in FX, it's showing like 3 hours 58 3 hours 58 minutes to for a candle closure. The same thing in Onda, it's showing 2 hours 58 minutes, and the candle ranges might different. So what I suggest you people is just follow the levels, the prices, not the candles. Just look into a single chart and take or punch the trade when market reached your price level than the candle. So Mohsin is telling like it's having good accuracy. Okay, Mohsin, good. So others, so Ratna Kumar is like just plotting but not trading. Need to complete basics on other technical stuff. Still learning phase. Okay, Ratna Kumar, no worries. You should make sure that you will be attending my live trading sessions every day to have a clear picture on it. So we know the bias is bearish on gold. So I already looked into 50. Okay, gold is done, right? Okay, guys, this is the trade which I took in the morning, in the afternoon actually, at at 1:30. The trade was triggered at 1:30. So this was very simple. Guys, you can follow two steps actually. So what I did is, my bias was bearish. I looked into 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, so in 1 hour time frame, this was our. I'll be showing two ways of taking this trade. I'll be showing two ways of taking this trade. So this is our FAG. I shifted into 15 directly here. Also I could have taken the trade. This was the first Marubosa candle. This thing I am neglecting because this is reverse hammer candle. This is a kind of a bullish candle itself. So I'll be waiting for a bearish Marubosa candle, marking the 0.25 level. Mark the 0.25 level. Market mitigated over this point, over this level. Stop loss just above the swing high. This was a swing high with little buffer, not exactly towards swing high, but still if you are keeping for exactly at swing high also, market didn't take our stop loss. You guys can just see over here. This is our exact high, exact top point of our wick. So market still didn't mitigate our stop loss. See here, it didn't trigger our stop loss, but I usually keep a buffer like this with 3 to 4 pips, at least 2 to 3 pips. So if you look into 5 minutes, see, stop loss is not triggered. So setting stop loss is very, very important. You have to keep little buffer. At least 2 to 3 pips above the wick of the candle. So from here, easily we have got 1:2. And people would have would have brought your stop loss to break even once it's. For the people who have bought their stop loss to break even, it would have been the break even stop loss. But people who haven't moved the stop loss to break even, it might have hit the target. So Praveen, this entire session is about Forex only. So here we will not be discussing anything about Indian market. So this was one type of setup, and the other type is, I'll be see after the mitigation. This was the IFEG. This was the CISD. This was the same trade I took actually in the morning. Guys, 1 to 2 good trades per day is more than enough, and 5 to 10 good trades per week is more than enough to get into the profits. Stop loss just above the swing high, and from here I'll be targeting 1:2. See, that setup gave the target. It has already given us the profits. Like it already gave us 1:2 with the setup which I've already taught you guys. And this is one more new setup I am actually trying with. Guys, but I suggest you people to don't get confused and follow only one setup which I've already taught you guys. Like, don't get into confusions. So this thing, I'm just back testing this new strategy, new setup. But that my old setup is giving good profits. Like, it is giving good win rate, and it is much simpler. So I prefer you guys to just follow the old setup which I have taught, and I'll also be taking live trades on the same setup which I've already taught you guys. So in 15 minutes also we don't have a proper setup, guys, because key levels are already mitigated. So it's better to not take any trades at these levels, because we don't have any key levels at this point of time. So guys, like as I said, we are getting 15% discount on it, and people who have not purchased any LiveX Capital account till now, please try it, and you'll be getting good experience with this prop account, because like I have gone through different pro firms till now, and LiveX Capital is giving good payouts, and there is no payout denials, and I am completely responsible for it. You can directly reach out to me, and I've also provided my contact number previously in my previous live trade as well. So I'll be suggesting you people to just trade with LiveX Capital account pro firm, and you can be getting 15% discount if you are using PASS15 PASS15 as the coupon code, and I'll be completely responsible for the payouts if you are properly following the challenges rules. If you are properly following the rules, and if you are getting into profits by clearing the challenges, then I'll be completely responsible for the payouts that you guys will be getting. So now I'll be analyzing US oil as well. First, I'll be looking into weekly time frame bias. As I said, my bias is still bullish on weekly time frame. So my bias is bullish on weekly time frame. So guys, just see over here, the same thing. Our bias was bullish. I'm just giving one example. See, FEG mitigation done. Bias is very important, guys. Once you get a proper bias, then you can plan for the trade. So I'll be using the GAN box. So Yashwin, you can't use algo for LiveX. Mitigation done. I'll be going long from this level. Stop loss. Just below the wick of the candle. 1:2. I'll usually target 1:2 or 1:3. If I'm having proper key levels to target, I'll be targeting 1:3, or else 1:2 is more than enough. See, proper mitigation and how market went from that level. Guys, doesn't this strategy seem cool? Simple, right? I just need you people to text it in the chat box. So guys, shall I just continue with the same setup and the same style what I am doing right now? I just need your suggestion, guys. So here few people might just attend the live session to get trades, to take trades, and for that, guys, you will have to keep on depending on the different person to take trades. But here, my main motto is to make you guys trade by yourself. So that is my main motto. So shall I continue with the same style or the same way of sessions which I am taking regularly? So Manikandan, what made me profitable is when I stick on to a single strategy. So like that is when I started becoming profitable. So like before I used to change various strategies because now I am already used to one strategy. Like I have complete hold on the strategy. Now I am trialing with some different strategies as well. But still you people are beginners for this, and I suggest you guys not to shift into any other setups as of now. Once you get used to some other setups, I'll also with this setup I'll also be like teaching you some other setups as well. So as of now, this is not the right time for you people to learn some other strategies. So just be trading with the same setup which I have taught Manikandan. That is what I'll personally suggest you. So in 4-hour time frame, there is no key level, guys. There is no key level in 4-hour time frame. We'll look into 1 hour. 1 hour also we don't have proper key level in US oil because lot of consolidation. See, from past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, from past 6 hour market is ranging. So not a right opportunity to take trades in US oil. So I better suggest you guys not to take any trades in US oil also right now. So guys, by then you can ask any questions if you have. And other people, like for the new for the new people who have joined my session for the first time or for the recent time, you can just watch my. So guys, one more thing, we got exciting news right now. Like the BOGO offer is still running actually, and one person actually asked me some time back. So entertainment, I didn't get your name, entertainment. So even today we are having BOGO offer where, guys, if you purchase any account about 10k capital account, that is 10k, 25k and 50k, you will be getting one extra account as an offer. Like if you are purchasing 10k account for today, you by using my coupon code PASS15 PASS15, and it is also mentioned on the screen. You can use that pass code to get 15% discount on it, and with that you will also be getting one extra account of 3 phase. Like if you are purchasing 10k dollar phase account, you will be getting 5k dollar phase account of 3 step. And if you are purchasing 25k account, you will be getting 10k account of 3 step for free, and you will also be getting 25k account for 50k account. For that you have to use my coupon code PASS15 PASS15. So this is good opportunity, guys. Like what I suggest you is just purchase that account. Like once you purchase the account, you have to mail it. You have to send the screenshot of the payment to our customer mail ID. That is support@livexcapital.in. So you have to forward your payment receipt to that mail ID, so that we will notice you guys and we will give you the offer account, like which we are providing for the account sites you are purchasing. So that offer ends at 11 p.m. Actually, we had that offer yesterday, but due to high demand, like we have also extended the offer till today, and from tomorrow we won't be getting that discount or that offer. So it ends at 11 p.m. sharp today. So before that, purchase the account and share the screenshot of the payment to support at livexcapital.in mail ID. And if you guys have any questions or any confusions related to that, you can just mention in the chat box and I'll be clearing it. Guys, why I suggest to make use of this opportunity is, you can first start trading with the 3-step account, the 3-phase account which you will be getting. And if you clear the account, you will also be getting the payout of 3-phase account. And if you are breaching the account, or if you are breaching the account, you will get used to it. You won't get used to, like, I'm not telling about breaching the account, but you'll get practice on it. You'll get to know how to punch the orders, how to follow the strategy, how to follow the setup. You'll be having clear picture on it, and from then onwards you can start on the 2nd phase. So guys, we have got a sweep here. And so I'll be shifting into 5 minutes. So guys, we can just plan for a trade in US oil. We have got a sweep here. So this is our CISD. Okay. So no guys, we have not got any CISD over here. Okay, we have got CISD at this level. So Manikandan, okay, I'll make sure that you will be getting the 2-phase account by today. I'll make sure that, and I'll be promising it. You will be getting 2-phase 5K account by today, as soon as the live session is ended. So we have got a change in state of delivery over here. So guys, we can just plan for a trade. Guys, even you can just take this trade if you want to. Five minutes. Here is our change in state of delivery. Pending order. I'll be placing my pending order over here, and my stop loss will be just below the swing low, and I'll be risking 1%. So guys, we have I am taking this trade. So let us see how the market reacts. Like, I've already taken the trade. I've also set my limit order, and once we get the mitigation from there, we are going long, and I'll be targeting 1:2. Guys, you can take in 2 ways, because we are not getting many opportunities nowadays. I am just taking in CISD, but what I suggest you people, you can just take this trade as well, or else you can just wait for a Marubozu candle, and you can just the same way which I have thought, once we got a sweep, you can mark the levels using GAN box, and you can take the trade once market mitigates our 0.25 levels and keeping the stop loss just below the swing low. But I am taking the trade at the CISD right now. So guys, let us wait for some time for the mitigation to our entry level. Once the mitigation is done, we are going we'll be holding the position for long, and that is we are targeting 1:2. So let us see how the market reacts. So as of now, I'll be ending the live session. I've also taken, okay, it's almost like it's almost mitigating our entry level, our pending order. Let us wait and watch. If you guys have taken a trade, just take this without risk. You have to be bold enough to take the trade as well. Let it hit the stop loss at the target. At the end of the day, risk management is the only thing which matters. So from here I'll be going long. Guys, always remember, risk management is the only thing which makes difference between a good trader and a bad trader. You have to take the trade very boldly. Like once you find the setup, okay, this is how I'm trading, this is my setup, this is my rules, and if market provides that kind of price action, then you are blindly taking the trade without a second thought. So here I've got a CISD, my bias was bullish, so it was also taken the sweep in 1 hour. It has taken the sweep in 1 hour, so I'll be targeting 1:2. So it is almost mitigating our entry point. Still our entry is not mitigated, guys. We are just waiting for entry to get mitigated. Just 3 pips. Just 2 pips. Guys, one more thing. If it gives us 1:1, then we are moving our stop loss to break even with little profits. So Priyanka, as I said before, okay, Priyanka is like, can you explain the phases and challenges? So Priyanka, you'll be getting you'll be getting challenges from 5k USD to 50k USD, where there are 3 types of phases. One is 1 step, second is 2 step, and third is 3 step account. So you'll be having different rules for each step or the each phase. So once you meet, if you clear the challenges without without breaching the account, if you meet the challenges, if you hit the profit target, then you will be eligible to get the funded stage, and from there you will be getting real funds, and the profits which you make out of those real funds will be yours. So you will be having profit splits. So 90% profit is for you and 10% is for the company. And this is how the challenge works. And tomorrow the entire session will be on how to. So my entry is triggered, guys, in US oil. So I am on long with US oil. So tomorrow the entire session will be. So tomorrow the entire session will be on. The LiveX Capital, how to use the LiveX Capital, how to punch orders, and how to withdraw your money, and how to change your crypto into Indian rupees. The entire session will be on this from 7 to 8 p.m. So right now our entry is triggered. So hope you guys have also taken the trades, and whoever all not taken, no worries. Just follow the same strategy which I am teaching you from past many days. So we'll wait how the we'll wait for the market reaction, how it reacts. So as of now, I'll be ending the live session, guys. Hope this session was useful, and I'll be meeting you guys tomorrow at sharp 7 p.m. Sorry. So meet you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. I'll be ending the session as of now.